Well, hello and welcome to the Miami Yachts Show. There are two beautiful boat shows going in Miami, the International Boat Show and the Miami Yachts Show. A lot of boats to see. We are here in the Hatteras display and I'm with Mr. Ken Reda. Ken, thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Lisa.
All right, we're going to talk about this beautiful vessel that we're on and what people must see in the Hatteras display this year.
Very good. Well, thank you very much. So we are on the Hatteras 70 GT enclosed bridge. This model is the first of the enclosed bridge offerings that we've put on this specific boat. So we've had the 70 in the open bridge model for some time. Very, very popular boat. It actually is the largest of the sport fish in the GT series that we build, known for its massive amount of space, seakeeping abilities, fishability, overall comfort, just the monster of all sport fish boats in this category. So with the enclosed bridge, that even brings in another dimension for traveling, for another entertaining zone. The people that own this boat actually came out of a 63 in an enclosed bridge.
Okay.
So this is just one of the new models that we have here at the yacht show here at the Hatteras display in Miami.
All right, and I know that the 65 Carolina is am I saying that right?
Yeah, 65, the GT65, we call it the Carolina version. That is the newest of the GT series. That's where we're taking that, what started at 54, became 60, 63.
Okay.
70 is also GT, but the 65 is the newest. It's the trend. It's where we're going in the GT series. Yes.
Okay, so definitely two models that you have got to come see down here at the Hatteras display.
We also have that. We also have the GT59, which was introduced back at the Lauderdale show. That's very exciting, getting as much traffic on that boat. Probably one of the better received mid-size sport fish boats in the industry right now. We've got the 45 Hatteras. The 45 is available in 3-4 different layouts, different configurations, from a fly bridge to an open to an express. We've got the 41 Cabo, which is also part of the Hatteras group. We've got 75 Panacera, which is the motor yacht. We've got the 90 Panacera, which is also the motor yacht. And in the mix between those, let's see, that's an awful lot to see right there.
That is an awful lot to see.
Right there.
And obviously we have our sales team down here. Who else from Hatteras is here? Do we have any people from their team?
Certainly. We have the new CEO, Gary Smith from Hatteras Yachts, Jeff Donahue, Tom Sanders. We've got a couple of the designers. We've got the interior design team. A couple of the engineers are here. We've got our MarineMax sales team that is here, been with the brand for 20-some years. So very happy to be here. It's a great location. We've got a great spot, and so far we've had fantastic weather and fantastic turnout.
Well, Ken, thank you so much for giving us a little bit of insight into the Hatteras display.